Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and this time it's related to status of Camera2 API after version 058. So let me remind you, there are some YouTubers who are creating false speculation or spreading false information that Camera2 API is enabled after this particular version. No, that is not update. That is not this particular update has not enabled Camera2 API. Before we jump into the Camera2 Pro API for the same, let me show you that on which build version I am. So are you able now? You will be able to see this particular build number, that is 16.2017.1908.058 and so on. So we are on the very latest version on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, and if you want to know that, we had already created a previous video on this using how to update our system using FOTA services. In that we had also discussed this part, but this is specifically so that it should clear your doubts. So now let's move to the Camera2 Pro API. So for this you have to install one app from the Google Play Store, that is Camera2 Pro, and here it will show you what's your support level. So at this moment it is showing legacy. So earlier I was on 057 version when I have installed that FOTA service update, for which we had already created a video previous to this, and we will surely add a link and as well as a card link too, and we will also mention the same in the description too. So you can view this, that it is in legacy. So it's an you can do one thing, you can forward this video, you can share this video with each and every YouTuber who is creating this false speculation or spreading false information, so that they can even know that from now onward they should stop these things. So just to earn views and just to count their work, watch hours, and to earn money using the ads by spreading this false information. So this was all from my side in terms of status of Camera2 API after latest version, that is 058. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in coming future. It's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.